Listen to this. I will be on location at the Valencia in Margate, Fort Lauderdale on March 28th, 2025, along with the team for Black Media IPTV, who will help me to present a wonderful and exciting crypto seminar. Later on, we will do a global seminar via Zoom and also in person by invitation only at a few designated locations in Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, and Palm Bay. Register now. cryptocurrencyproviders@gmail.com. We are offering to double your crypto investment per week, starting with 0.255 BTC that you will place in your own Escrow Attorney Account. We will shut down on May 30th, 2025. If you know anyone with the investment as an individual or as a group with 27K/USDC, then you get 27K/USDC or USDT each week for 6 weeks. No risk, 100% guaranteed. Most have no clue about crypto or trading. Do you know about crypto and crypto trading?